Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are at Montreal Airport at Avis here, and it's definitely a busy day, a little bit later in the day. Let's take a look at some of the cars Avis has available. Looks like this is a preferred upgrade section here. There's a Jaguar. And just a quick reminder, go ahead, click that subscribe button if you guys haven't already subscribed. Want to see more of these videos, give it a quick like. And we got a Caravan, we got a Dodge Charger. And it looks, I did a quick walk through the garage, it looks like they're a little bit lower on cars compared to Toronto, but let's see what we got here. We got a Kia Sentra, got a Hyundai Buick SUV. Sorry about all the noise, they got some pretty loud fans running here. We've got a Hyundai Kona. And you can see some budget over there. There's a Gladiator, a little Chevy. This is returns here with all the flashing lights, the hazards on. We got a Ford Escape. And we got a BMW, maybe a 3 Series here. And yeah, you can see some of the returns. Somebody's taking that Jaguar there. Let me do a walk over to budget. And so you can see kind of some of the returns here. And I haven't seen one of those Honda pickup trucks before, besides this Durango. It's kind of squeezed in here. I don't know really how much I can show you guys here, but let me just kind of see how far I can squeeze in. And see, yeah, oh, it's got the plastic on the steering wheel, might be brand new. Sport trim on that. You guys probably know better what that is. And a Durango. And we got Jeep Gladiator, easy way to tell those. Shout out to my friend Paul and Alex who noticed this with the BR license plates. So the BR license plates are for trucks. Correct me if I'm wrong, but actually this one's from Ontario. So these Gladiators are trucks, whereas the Wrangler would just have the regular license plates on it. There's a compact Chevy. And we got an Expedition here. All blacked out, that looks pretty nice. And we got a Grand Cherokee down at the end. And I think that's going to wrap it up for Avis. There's actually not much to show you out here. I think I'm going to squeeze all the rental agencies into just one video out here. We'll see how much footage I get. I might actually still split it up. And if I split it up, I will see you guys in the next video. Let me see if this is not locked. It looks like this might be new too. Yeah, it's locked. It's got the wrap on the steering wheel. All right. All right, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.